Something's breaking on it, Dad.
Greetings, dear friends. This is the Builders Club channel, and this video will be very interesting because I'll let you in on how I built my own ramp on which I am now repairing my car. And not just my own, but all my friends who found out that I have a ramp lined up to repair their cars too. And that's good. I don't charge them any money, but that's for now. Maybe some of you already thought this video would only be interesting for men, but that's not the case. A little later, I'll show you something you can give to a man and he'll be over the moon with happiness. Well, of course, if he's interested in welding. Kostya.
Yeah?
Have you ever seen a welding machine like this?
Hey, where did you get one like that? Hey, give me one like that as a gift.
No. The construction of the workshop is ongoing. The ceiling is already almost halfway covered, and in just a few days they will be installing the gates right here behind you. But that will be in the next video, and for now let's talk about the repair ramp. I'm digging with this kind of auger. Based on my personal experience, I don't recommend using a manual auger to drill holes for posts. It's much better to rent a regular power auger and drill the holes both evenly and quickly. And you'll also need to make intermediate ones here and here. There will be 6 posts in total. I'll drive up from there and get to work. Just like that. And I'll be repairing my car myself, because I don't really trust those repair shops. I used to trust them before, but then I realized I shouldn't do that. I've already finished the upper part. Well, you have to admit, it looks nice. It already makes you want to drive up onto it. Now I'm going to make these diagonal supports. I'll weld them like this to give these pipes more rigidity. Otherwise, if a van drives in here, they'll bend. But if I put diagonal supports everywhere like this, then I can even connect these diagonal supports together later. We'll see. Basically, I need to reinforce all of this now. There's just a final stage left. I need to lay these rebar rods so I can drive in. And also make the approach nice and smooth here. We cut these rods into half-meter pieces and weld them. I've made it halfway. The ramps. And now I'll also do this part halfway and then I'll make the approach. And this will be done a bit later because I might not have enough electrodes. There are very few left. So I already burned my jacket here. I accidentally leaned against it like this. But the jacket is okay. My phone almost burned though. I need to be more careful. So should we drive up?
Yes!
Well, that's how I did it.
Looks nice, looks good.
Well, now I'm going to drive up and all these bricks will sink because a lot more soil needs to be added here. Well, at least I have to try. All right, step aside. I'm going to give it a try. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh! The wheels are sinking. Well, just as I thought, everything is sinking. All right, let's try to drive up with a running start anyway.
It's going to collapse now.
Oh, it's scary to drive on here.
Dad, I think it's going to collapse now.
Is it okay? Shall we keep going?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Step back a little further.
Archer, step back a little further.
It's bending, Dad. It's bending, it's bending. It's breaking now, Dad. It's breaking, Dad. It's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. Drive off, Dad. It's breaking. Drive off, Dad. Drive off. It's breaking.
Nothing's breaking there.
It's breaking.
Let's take a look now.
You can hear it breaking.
Well, something's banging over there.
You can hear it crunching.
Go ahead, Dad.
You either need to weld something extra between them or weld these on really well. But it's kind of scary to drive onto it. It's really heavy. It was crunching here too, right?
Yes, it was crunching a lot here too.
Or maybe it doesn't matter.
I'm scared.
We just need to take a look. It's starting to break.
The rebar is bending like that.
Where?
It's really heavy.
Well, yes, I see.
What? That means we need to add more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, so much work. All right. It still needs to be reinforced. I feel like I tack welded it in a few spots, thought it would be fine. They seem so sturdy. But when a minibus drives in, look how much they bend. Well, now we'll drive in with that car. I think it'll be fine, but a minibus is just too heavy. All right, it's nothing serious, but it didn't work out the first time. No, well, it would have gone up fine. It's nothing serious, but it's better not to take the risk.
It doesn't bend. Beautiful.
Dad, it's leaking there. Dad, it's leaking under the car.
Something's dripping over there.
It's stuck.
Dad, something's leaking under the car.
Yeah, the oil is dripping right away.
That's gasoline leaking.
Gasoline?
Everything's rotted.
Oh.
That's how it is.
Oh.
You can repair the car. That's what it looks like.
Now I know.
The car is rusty underneath. Are you interested?
Yeah.
It's fine for a passenger car. The passenger car drove onto it easily. But for a minibus, it still needs to be reinforced.
This car.
Let's start repairing it already.
We'll fix it, then we'll do it properly for the minibus.
My ramp is almost completely ready. The only thing that's not finished yet. Right here, I wanted to make a small ledge so that when you drive the car up, you can step down onto this ledge. On one side, the support is already done. And here we're going to weld on a piece of box tubing like this. And onto it, I think we'll weld on some angle iron. On top, right here. And we'll lay boards across the angle pieces. Or maybe something else. I haven't decided yet. But for now, let's start by welding this pipe. You might laugh now, or maybe not, but I laughed for a long time. Here's the situation. Here's the machine I used to weld the whole ramp. Basically, it works well, but it's already old. I've been using it for more than 10 years. I don't even know what it's called. It's like a nameless little machine. Well, in general, it worked pretty well. But this machine doesn't have a lot of the features that regular modern machines have. Things like anti-stick, arc force, and many others. Those features are already in all modern machines. So I ordered this little machine. When I looked at the website, it was hard to tell its size. But when it arrived, I saw it was such a small box. I thought, how can a welding machine fit in this box? Now, take a look. It turned out that wasn't the only surprise. In this box, the machine itself takes up the least space. Most of the space is taken up by the cables. Look at this device. When I saw it for the first time, I almost burst out laughing. The main thing is, in terms of specs, it's like a regular welding machine. Up to 120 amps, it can weld with a 4mm electrode. Honestly, I haven't tested it yet. But in terms of specs, it's actually a pretty good machine. The size of my phone and the size of the welding machine. Just so you have an idea, this width is 8.5. I measured it. The height is 13 centimeters. Well, and like this, it's about 20 centimeters. So if you work as a welder, you can just make the pocket a little bigger. Just like that, put it in your pocket and go to work. Now we're going to test it. I'm just shocked. No, the dimensions are listed on the website, I just didn't pay attention. In the photo, well, it looks like a regular welding machine. I thought my machine was small. Here it is. Now look at the difference. Here are these machines. Some may have seen them before, but it's my first time seeing something like this. Wow, what a long cable. Wow, it's longer than on my old machine. So, shall we try it? It welds really well. It really welds great. Everything goes smoothly, no problems at all. This is just an absolute beast. Well, I ran a full pass without stopping. Here's the seam. Well, it's just gorgeous. So, does that mean I've already become a professional? I've never had welds like this in my life. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so pleased. This is probably going to be my favorite device. All right, I've burned through another welding rod. No, this is awesome. I didn't expect this. Well, check it out. Now I'll lay some boards here and it'll be good to go. Well, this is the second to last stage of preparing the opening for the gate. All that's left is to patch it with cement filler, right here. And here is the side of the opening. And then, of course, everything will need to be painted. But not this time, because it's already freezing outside. And as you know, you can't paint when it's freezing. We'll paint it sometime after installing the gate. It's snowing. I still haven't put away the pool because it was convenient for me to take water from here and mix the mortar. But now it's already frozen. I can't leave it like this anymore. Now I'll wash this barrel, put it inside, and pour some water into it. And I'll put everything else away and stack it. I filled it with water to the brim, but in the pool, everything stayed the same. I need to open something here somehow. The valve. I don't know how to open it. Oh, here. That's all. So I almost scooped everything out with a bucket, and by pure chance I found where the drain valve is. It suddenly snowed. Dear friends, the next video will be about my workshop, and something tells me you won't recognize it anymore. Please don't forget to leave a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And as always, I wish you happiness, good health, good luck, and bye everyone.